Hello friends, we are having our dinner. It's like, oh my god, we're having weekend. So we're just so relaxing, and this is what we have. This one is from my garden. This one is also from my garden, and we have the here bruschetta. See, we have olives, we have dried what do you call that, dried tomatoes, we have fresh tomatoes, and we have olives there, and we have cheese here, and dog is enjoying his bruschetta. My god, yeah, I pick those things. I'll show you. This is where I pick my cherry tomatoes. There's still a lot of cherry tomatoes there, even there. See, this is the where I took that because it's raining here. I was not able to have mowing yet, and there's some that grows there. So that's where I took my, and even here there's something growing here again. See, look. There are a lot of tomatoes still here. See, we don't have much time to pick. Okay, that's where I got our lunch for today. See, it's passion fruit. I have some passion fruit down there. There's a lot of flowers, but I think it's not that because it's all raining hard. Hello, Oli. So we will continue. And I made this, I don't know, potatoes and mince. Lamb mince. Okay. Okay, that's it for today, friends.